Okay, so you can see I was able to upload my very own audio to Roblox, and it didn't cost me any Robux. So in order to upload your own audio to Roblox, you're going to want to first go to roblox.com. And many of you might not know that earlier this year, Roblox has made it free to upload your own audio. You can upload a certain amount per month depending on your account. It used to be that you had to pay Robux to do this, but not anymore. Make sure again that you go to roblox.com and sign into your account. Once you do this, you can click on the Create tab. And once you go to the Create tab, you want to go to your experiences and click on audio. I wanted to point out, do not click on the creator dashboard. You want to be able to do this from your My Creations in your develop tab. So again, roblox.com/develop if you want to go straight to the link. I'm going to click on audio. And then here is where I can upload my audio files. So you can see my account, I can have up to 10 per 30 days. So in order to do this, I need to find the file, and it needs to be an MP3 or an OGG file. So I'm going to click on choose file. So I have one here ready to go. It's called Relaxing Piano. You can see it's an MP3 file. If you have a WAV file and you need to convert it to an MP3 file, I'll put a link in the video so where you can learn how to do that. But once you have your MP3 file, you can click on it and then press open. And then once it's there, you just press upload. Now, depending on your audio file, it might upload right away, which mine did, or it might need to be reviewed and then approved. So again, you might need to wait a little bit to have that approved by Roblox. And in order to use this audio file, I'm going to click on the audio file that it created. And you can see it brings me to this page, roblox.com, library, and then the number right here on the top. That is the number of the asset ID. So that's the number you want to use in your games or on Roblox. So you might also have thought in the past that you want to create your own Roblox games. I wanted to let you know that I created a complete beginner's guide on how to publish your own games to Roblox. It shows you step by step how to do this, and the link is in the description below. So you can see I was able to upload my very own audio to Roblox, and it didn't cost me any Robux. So one thing I wanted to point out is that if you click on these three dots here, and then click on configure, you can actually change different things about your sound. So you can go ahead and rename it. So anytime you need to rename your sound, you can do that here. You can also click the genre of the sound, and so you can select that as well. You can add a description to the sound, and then you can choose the settings that you would like for the sound, if you'd like to make it private, or if you'd like to distribute it on the marketplace. But you'll notice here it says enabling marketplace is unavailable at this time. And once you're happy with what you've set, you can click on save, and then you have your sound the way you would like it. So let's say I've got my new asset ID here on the top. I'm going to go ahead and copy the asset ID, and I'm going to go to Roblox Studio and go ahead and test it out in a game. So let me just put in sound service. I'm going to click and add a sound. And once I add the sound, I'll click on sound, and then I'm going to go to sound ID, and that's the asset ID I just copied from the sound I just put in. I'm going to paste that number, press enter, and I'm going to make sure that I have this playing. And then now, whenever I play this game, it's going to play that sound. You can also loop it if you want to. So you can hear that relaxing music was playing in the background while I played my game. So a couple of things to keep in mind when you upload your audio file is here at the Create an Audio tab, you can see there's a place where you can learn more. And so when you click that, it's going to bring you to Roblox support, where you can learn more about the audio files. And again, you're going to want to make sure that it meets the Roblox community standards. Again, you can click on that and read through those to make sure that your audio will be okay to use. Most of the time, you're going to want to own the audio and have it not be copyrighted. Again, you want to be the one that has the original audio for this. And if you want to find audio, you can do the audio assets here, but then here are the steps that we talked about in this video. And lastly, it shows you how to configure your audio. If you're interested in the history of how audio became free to use on Roblox, there is this really good resource here, and I'll put the link in the description below. They kind of show the overall history of audio. And so basically in March of 2022, Roblox replaced the pricing for the audio with free versions and free uploads. And so if you're ID verified, you can do up to 100 files per month, and most users will be able to do 10 files per month. If you made it this far in this video, you might also want to learn how to add that audio you created to a part in your game. You might not know you can do that. I'll put a link to that. So I thank you, and I will see you in the next video.